How to do a oil change on a 99 Honda Accord or most other cars. Remove old oil filter from under the car. Make sure to have a bucket under for old oil coming out. Lubricate the seal on new filter with the new oil purchased. Hand tighten new oil filter back on snug. Loosen the bolt, then after drain the old oil from the pan. Catch old oil in bucket. Make sure to safely dispose of old oil. Tighten on the bolt into the pan, not too hard, but snug. Then put your car's recommended oil into insert spot on motor. Check the dipstick to make sure proper oil level has been met. Put 710 cap back onto motor. Start the car and let it run for a few minutes before moving it. Just like that, a oil change is done. Like, follow, and share this video.